In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use your Trading212 referral link so you can start earning money with this referral program. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. This is very easy. You can do it from the phone application or the web version as well. Just go to this icon right here and then click get a reward. Right here you should see this offer where you can get a free share of up to 100 euros for each friend you invite, and your friend will get another reward as well. So this is my link. I will also leave it in the description below, because if you use it and create an account with this link, you will also get a free share. And all you need to do, or your friends need to do, is create your account with a referral link, verify your identity with an ID, and then make a deposit of at least 10 euros. In my case, I have gotten 6 referrals for now, and in total I have made 85 euros. Which means that's an average of almost 15 euros per referral, which is pretty good because your friend will also get a reward of up to 100 euros. Right here we can also see the probability of the value of those shares. So as you can see, there is an 80% probability of getting from 8 to 25, so at least you will get 8 euros. And there is also a decent probability to get from 25 to 50. Then there is also a small chance of getting from 50 to 100. So that's it. It's basically free money, so I think it's worth it to give it a try. I will leave my link in the description below in case you want to use it. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.